Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to Telling Time. It's been an exciting time recently because I acquired a new watch for my collection. And as you see by now, it's the extremely contentious Tag Heuer F1 Solargraph. I first noticed this watch as part of Tag's 2025 Watches and Wonders lineup and went to check it out in person. And to my surprise, I just got that feeling that I wanted this watch when I was checking it out in store. So here we are with the 38mm sandblasted steel case, sapphire crystal and opaline white dial with red accents and date window. Polylite, or as the haters like to say, plastic bezel, bi-directional and with pretty solid action. Inside you have the TH50-00 solar quartz movement that is in all their other Solargraph watches and coming with 5 years international warranty and a 15-year service interval. The crown is a non-screw down crown, but the watch still has 100 meters of rated water resistance. The watch comes on an 18mm sandblasted steel bullet style bracelet. And there's a little bit of micro adjust on the clasp, with the micro adjust holes and this easy link system here, which allows you to pop in and out one link worth of bracelet. I just love the aesthetic of the watch, and compared to the original, I think it just feels a lot more substantial and modernized. I love the opaline dial with that black bezel, and I think the bezel kind of looks like a tire, which is pretty fitting for the racing aesthetic of the watch. I think they knocked it out of the park with this bullet style bracelet, and yeah, the watch wears amazingly on my 6.5-inch wrist here. To me, this watch just embodies what Tag Heuer is about: bold and daring designs and a rich racing heritage. I'm really excited to have this watch as part of my collection, and it also has a special significance and meaning now, which you'll have to wait for my full owner's review to find out about. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, tell me how the watch is overpriced for a piece of plastic, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you again next time.